Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something different for you guys. I'm going to be sharing how I clean my grout in my bathroom. If I were you. So first I'm going to start by spraying a mixture of vinegar, water, and dish soap. Then I'm going to wipe it up. I just like to start with a clean surface. And then I'm going to go back in with the same mixture and spray it all over the grout and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer the better. Out of the blue, you went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace and mind. Now I do try to do this every couple of months or when I notice my grout getting a little dirty. But if your grout is already really dark or black, I would only use vinegar and maybe a little bit of dish soap, but definitely skip the water. So I did start by using this heavy duty pad, but it didn't work as good as my microfiber cloth or a regular rag. Do you all see the difference in the side that I'm scrubbing compared to the other side? I don't know, it's just so satisfying watching something like this to me. Let me know in the comments if it's satisfying seeing the before and after.
Got enough of this fever, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go. So go. Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end.
Okay, loves, that's it for this video. I hope this helped someone. If you enjoyed, please give it a like, leave me a comment so we can connect. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. Now I'm going to show you the before and after. Alright, do you guys see the difference? This is not clean, and this is cleaned. Same with right here. Dirty, this is clean.